Draisaitl down low to McDavid. McDavid back to Draisaitl. Wrist shot through traffic from the corner. McDavid back up top for Draisaitl. Leon Draisaitl. Here is Eberle's shot. Step by Andersen. Looking for the rebound. It's right out in front. No goal.
No goal. It looked like for a second Matt Hunwick might have put it into his own net. Jordan Eberle started to celebrate, but the referee said no goal. But watch Matt Hunwick. He's going to try to put this in the pads of Frederik Andersen. No, that puck didn't go in. Good call.
Andersen doing the spinorama in the blue paint. They don't ask you how, Drew. They say how many.